Pangatlo na yan ah.
Oo nga eh.
Tuwa ka naman.
Grabe ka naman. Para namang di tayo mag-best friend yan.
Oh, ba't ganyan ka makasmile? Tingnan ako.
Uy, akin na yan!
Stalker.
Secret admirer.
Stalker? Pangit-pangit yung
Uy,
Hi, Joy.
Uy, Adam.
Kaya... Hindi man ako sorry. Uy, Joy.
Miggy, naalala mo yung kahapon? Si Adam yun!
Ewan ko sa'yo, ambisyosa ka. O, teka, nabasa mo na may nasa likod yan?
Ha? Hindi pa eh. Looking at you makes my heart melt with happiness. No wonder you have the word joy in your name. Oh my gosh, ang sweet niya! Grabe!
Sus!
Huli naman ito.
Say it out loud.
Okay.
Si Becca yun ah.
Hi, Becca.
Hi, Sean. Kumusta?
Ito, okay lang. Napanood mo na yung Hunger Games?
Oo, nabasa ko na ngayon eh, lagi ba?
Yung Warm Bodies.
Hindi nabasa ko ngayon.
Gusto mo pa?
Ano naman?
Doon mo ang copy dito sa laptop.
Ay, sige, ikaw na lang. Binabasa ko pa naman eh, tsaka alam ko namang mas maganda yung book kaysa sa pelikula. Sige, alis na lang ako.
Okay.
I don't know what it is I wanted to say. I couldn't find words even if I tried anyway. All I need you to know is that wherever you go, I'll always be there by your side. 'Cause my feelings for you won't subside. Now you know I wasn't ready to go, but looking back in the past I never helped you know. Am I surrounded by hope? She always spoke in a style who was a rock when you broke. I'd have even known the way to show you all the feelings I hold. Not even eye to eye, but she could never get in. Or she needs to see, no, I know she never did. After all I've been through, she's all I ever wanted. Look at me, how could I ever be free? You put me under a spell that I could never think of breaking. And I hope my will, yeah, but I don't know why. She's a hold of my world now, and I don't know why. I'm stuck in the wind, so I'm saving my breath. But give me sympathy, yes, see, 'cause I've done it. Hoping that I could keep going and I'll pull it again. Now wait a minute, she's got me in a job. I don't know what it is I wanted to say. I couldn't find words even if I tried anyway. All that I need you to know is that wherever you go, I'll always be there by your side. 'Cause my feelings for you won't subside.
Bes! Bes, di ba? Si Adam. Kailan ka pa nagka-camera?
Nung kailan lang, sumali ako ng isang workshop.
Sa ulog ba yan? Patingin nga!
Ops, dito pwede hawakan ng mga talon.
Ano ba yan? Rematch na lang oh!
Tara!
Tara! Ano? Tara!
Hi, Becca.
Hello?
Ang ganda ng Warm Bodies eh.
Panood mo na?
Bilas.
Wow, hard mode sa'yo?
Ay, e-book.
Ay, ibo.
Gusto mo mapanood?
Sean, ano ba? Kailan ba titigil to? Hindi mo ba makita hindi tayo bagay? Ang teki mo. Hindi ako makakasabay sa'yo. Kaya tama na, please. Ito pa akong PLP.
PLP?
Get ready for the next battle.
Ay, saglit lang. Share lang ako. Saglit lang.
Kamto ni Miggy ah. Hello? Kita tayo? Ngayon? Oh, sige, kita tayo. Sige, papunta na ako. Oh, sige. Ingat!
Yung si Becca, pinakita ko sa Facebook.
Ha? Baka nasa loob. Eh, bakit naman siya nandito?
Ay nga pala. Ito hindi na less than 3 sa Skype to.
Thank you.
Tara kayo na tayo.
Akala ko si Adam na yun.
Akala ko si Becca.
Sorry about that.
Pwede.
Oh, eh di sino pala yung secret admirer ko?
Abay ko sa'yo. Ambisyosa ka kasi. Doon mo. Mas na ako dito.
Okay, sige. Ingat kuya.
I wanted to say I couldn't find words even if I tried anyway. All I need you to know is that wherever you go, I'll always be there by your side. 'Cause my feelings for you won't subside.